Hello everyone, my name is Pallav Agarwal. Today I am very happy to start embedded board giveaway. I did 3 giveaways previously, one in December 2019 and January February 2020. But then COVID kicked in and I had to put it on hold. But great that now I am starting it again. For this month's giveaway I have Bellina Fin Raspberry Pi Compute Module Career Board. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. It will be a big support and I will bring more useful videos and keep doing these embedded board giveaways. Before I tell you how to participate in this giveaway, let me tell you what all is there on this board. It is a compact but very powerful board that can be used for learning about Linux or creating a cool IoT project. Tell me in the comments below what project you will build if I give you this board. The size of this board is approximately 91 mm cross 91 mm. You can power this board using barrel jack connector or terminal connector. It can take up to 24 volt input. Micro USB connector is available for programming. Ethernet is there, 2 USB hosts, Scilab Bluetooth module which is also acting as coprocessor. This extends IOs on 18-pin extension connector. If you want to have fast IOs, you can use this coprocessor. Onboard Wi-Fi module is there with PCB antenna, also a provision for external antenna connection using UFlex connector. Switch is there to control which antenna you want to use. RTC coin cell battery is there. 40-pin header is there with the help of which you can access all the IOs like GPIOs, PWM, analog inputs, I2C, SPI. On this side you have HDMI output, camera connector is there and another connector where you can have camera or display output. One more USB interface is provided on this 4-pin header with the help of which you can connect external device on the USB. This is very useful feature. Here you have 9 LEDs, SIM card connector is there and one RGB LED is there. On the back side of the board, this is your Raspberry Pi CM3 module. Mini PCI Express connector is there. You can connect external connectivity modules like GSM, GPRS modems, Wi-Fi modems with dual band. I hope you like this board and want to participate. So participating in this giveaway is very easy. You just need to answer 10 super quick questions. Link is provided in the description below. Winner will be announced on the last day of this month. And please don't worry if you don't win this board. I'll be doing these giveaways every month. And the next giveaway board is already decided. Take a look. Best of luck and I'll see you next time.